Hey, this is Jason here, and I'm gonna do a bike check. Start from the front back. I got the Stone Cell bars, 9 Mirage. I like them. ODI long neck grips. I like how they feel. They're really nice and comfortable. Stone Vortex bar ends. I got the Odyssey V3 elementary stem. It's nice and strong, and it looks really nice. I'd recommend buying it. I got the We the People compression bolt. We the People forks. I like the forks. They're really, really nice and strong. I have a Mission Echo front hub, sealed, laced to an Alienation PBR rim. Primo hub, green plastic plug. I got the Sunday First Wave frame. This is just my local bike shop sticker. They're a really good bike shop. I checked them out. Kawasaki Bike and Sport. I got the Eastern crank arms. Eastern pedals sealed. Shadow crank and bone sprocket. Stolen shackle chain. Animal strip pivotal seat. It's really nice. I like the design on it. It's really comfortable too. I got an FBM seat post, Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp. I have an FBM back wheel, Primo hub, another plastic green hub. I really like the hub. The sound's nice. And yeah, that's my bike check.